On the 9th of July 2021, a fire at a food and drink factory left at least 52 people dead and another 20 were injured. The fire occurred at the Sahizam juice factory in Rupganj, an industrial town in Narayanganj district, Bangladesh. The same day, the owner of Sajib Group, whose subsidiary Hashim Foods owns the juice factory, his 4 sons, and 3 other company executives were arrested in connection with the fire. They are facing various charges including murder, attempted murder, and intentionally causing serious injury. The factory was built illegally, had no emergency exits and was lacking in adequate safety measures. Chemicals and other flammable materials were also stored within the factory, which employed workers as young as 11 years old. This Bangladesh history-related article is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it. This article about disaster management or a disaster is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.